Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À école au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape école au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées. Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À école au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape école au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. That is very informal, okay? Nice meeting you. Nice chatting with you. Chatting, ça signifie parler, means talking. It's a way of saying nice talking with you. Nice meeting you. Nice chatting with you. Yeah, there's just nice meeting you. And here you have with. Nice chatting with you. Nice talking with you. And the answer would be same here. Me too. That would be the answer. The answer would be, I'm going to write it here. It's going to be same here. Me too. The two has a double O. This two means aussi. Nice meeting you. Me too. Nice chatting with you. Me too. Nice talking with you. Me too. Same here. Pleasure meeting you. Same here. Same here. So you could be nice meeting you. Pleasure meeting you. Nice chatting with you. Nice talking with you. Same here. Me too. Likewise. It's another one. Likewise. Likewise. Me too. Same here. That's how you answer. It's pleasure meeting you. Lovely meeting you. Nice meeting you. So, pleasure meeting you. Lovely meeting you. Nice meeting you. Nice chatting with you. It was a pleasure talking with you. Lovely talking with you. Lovely meeting you. Same here. Me too. Likewise. Me as well. Me as well. Me as well. Different ways of responding to that. And then now you have the slangs. Remember what I told you about the slangs? That it's a much more really American kind of way of talking, you know, very informal, it's kind of a neutral way of talking. Let me put it that way. It's more like neutral. You have hola, you have hi there, hey, hey girl, hey bro, hey friend, hey honey, hey, hey you, hey miss, hey mister, hey. That's more like a neutral thing, you know. It's really, really when you're really cool with that person, you're kind of down with that person, you would use the hey you, the hey girl, the hey dude, the hey friend, you know, hey miss, you know. That's the hey kind of thing. Hey boy, hey girl, hey friend, you know, hey girlfriend. You know, those are just ways of saying hola or good morning. It's just saying hey. It's just a way of greeting someone. Hey, girlfriend, you know. And then you have hey, hi there, you know. It's a general greeting, hi there, because there is almost like a plural. So hi there, it's more like a general kind of greeting, you know. And then you have hola. Hola is a Spanish for hi, you know. And then you have the hey there or hey man. You know, you have hey dude. Dude is often for like a man, so you say hey dude. You know, if you want to talk to a man, you know, hey dude. You know, hey buddy. A buddy is a friend. Buddy, it's a friend. It's another way of saying a friend. My best buddy, my best friend, my cool buddy, my cool friend. So a buddy is a friend. Hey cuz. Cuz stands for cousin. Cousin, cousine. Hey cuz, ça signifie hey cousin, hey cousine. So hey cuz, okay? And then you have what's up? What you doing? You know, what's happening? That's another one. What's happening? What's happening? Yeah, sometimes some people say, so what's happening? Say nothing. Nothing's happening. Or what's happening? Oh, nothing. Everything's cool. Everything's cool. Everything is great. You know, what's happening? What's up, guys? Yeah, people say, what's up, guys? So, oh, no, that's good. No, we're good. We're good. Everything's perfect. Nice, cool, chill. You know, what's up? Nice, cool, chill, perfect. You know, that's how you would answer, what's up? Or what's happening? What's popping? That's another one. That's just all signs. What's popping, girl? What's popping, buddy? What's popping means what's coming up? What's next? What's the plan? Those are all slangs that you would hear, a lot of them like in movies and series and stuff. It's just all mean the kind of like the same thing, you know. It's just a way of answering or or asking like or greeting someone. Okay, so these are the slangs which are like neutral slangs that you would, but please don't use this unless you're really cool with that person, you're kind of down with that person, you're comfortable, you're great, and you can use them. It's not bad. But if it's in a professional setting, we already know what it is that we need to do, what it is that we need to say, with who we're going to use it with. I told you all, boss, teachers, someone you're meeting for the first time. Of course, you would use that and what to answer when somebody asks you. Full sentences for informal, for formal, I'm sorry. How are you doing, sir? Complete sir, or madam, or ma'am. Or if you know the person's name, Mr., Mrs., or Miss, or if you know the person's profession, pastor, officer, doctor. So you should be able to use that. And then, of course, when you say, how are you doing? And then you answer, you have to go back 3 steps. And how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And what about you? I am good, thank you. I am good, thank you. Even if you're not good, even if it's a negative that you're not feeling well, I'm not so good, but thank you, okay? And so, and then of course, at the end, it's a pleasure meeting you, it's an honor meeting you, it's, it's nice meeting you, it's lovely meeting you, and you answer. And it's the same thing with the informal. Nice, you cut it, morning, afternoon, nice meeting you, nice chatting with you, nice exchanging with you, and then you have the slangs. I hope that helps. Remember the answers when you tell someone, it's a pleasure meeting you, always, especially when you're meeting that person for the first time, it's important that the person knows. And usually when you use it's lovely meeting you, it's nice meeting you, it's nice chatting with you. Oftentimes we use that when you're meeting someone for the first time or after a long period of time and you guys meet again, you get to exchange. And so you tell the person how you feel. And so remember the answers, same here, me too, likewise, me as well. Thank you.
www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École